Hi guys, it's dinner time, and because it's hot, I'm just gonna prepare salad for dinner. And I have here baby spring mix, and I have cherry tomato, avocado, bell pepper, carrots that I have to shred, and I have cranberries, and cucumber, asparagus, and a little bit of onion. So I didn't buy beets, so I just buy this one. This is what I'm gonna use. This will be good. Okay, and I have here imitation crabs. So I like this. This is good. So after prepping my veggies, I will now move over to cook my garlic shrimp. Now I will make my garlic shrimp. So the pan is already hot, and I will put the oil. It's hot. And garlic. The shrimp. And turn over. Good, I can saute it. Okay, it's almost done. Sprinkle with tajin. I didn't put anything on it, only tajin, no salt, no pepper, but I think I will put pepper. I will get my pepper, put pepper and parsley. This is dry parsley. That's it. All done. This is a quick dinner. Nothing much in it. Okay, now I will put it here. Another parsley. That's it. That's the shrimp. Garlic shrimp. That's our dinner tonight. Shrimp, garlic shrimp. And this is the baby spring mix. And I will put this for the salad. Onion and bell pepper. Tomato, cherry tomato and asparagus. And that's it for now. Now I will make a dressing for this. And so this is my mother-in-law's famous recipe. The salad, instead of this green mix, she just used the lettuce. So I got this one because it's already in one pack. And to make a dressing, 1.5 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and cocktail, just sprinkle a little, not much, that's enough, just to taste. I think I put a lot. No. And tomato ketchup. That's it. See? So mix. I will use this one. It's easier to mix than the tablespoon. So yeah. This is the dressing. This is how you make dressing. You can put pepper and I don't want to put salt. That's it. And we're ready to eat. So for our salad, greens, all the greens, and the imitation crab, and the beets, and we will put on top the cranberry. Okay guys, let's eat. Ciao. Oh my god, I almost forgot the bread. Okay, that's the bread. And we're gonna eat now. Shout out for my friend Marita Lubag, my BFF. Thank you for the fruits and veggies. Thank you so much, BFF. Okay, I'll see you later. Thank you for watching to my channel. You have a wonderful day. Please like, click the bell button, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. My mother-in-law's famous salad. I miss this. It's been a while since I ate this.